Hello and welcome to D-Class TV, where in this episode we welcome a very special guest down here at D-Class Automotive. Tom, or TGE London as he's known on social media, is coming to see his Porsche 912, which we've now had for a couple of days. We've cast our eye over the interior, worked out exactly what we're going to do, and when Tom visits this afternoon, we're going to show him all the materials that we're going to be using inside of the car.
Here at D-Class, and my car is in the bay already, ready to go. Hello mate, how you doing?
How you doing, alright?
You don't look worried, which is a good start. So, we've had prior discussions with the car, we've had a little kind of book of fabrics and whatnot, so we've been chatting about this. We're just going to go around the car and have a little look and talk about the options that we've gone for.
Yep.
As I've taken your kind of lead and your expertise on this, we go for something slightly different, not what most people think we're going to be doing. Where should we start? I'll come around on this side actually. This is going to be interactive, lovely.
Well, let's start with some carpet first. We're going to keep things pretty original. So
Yeah.
I'm going to go with a square box weave carpet.
Love it.
Pretty much the same sort of hue wattage in there. These carpets that you've currently got in here have been fitted later on down the line. A previous kit made by somebody else. They're not original to the car.
Like ham, they're everywhere.
Yeah, it is all everywhere. It's not that good quality. It kind of fits where it lands. It's had its use and it's had its time.
Absolutely. So we're going to go box stitch, is it called?
So the carpet, yeah, square weave box carpet. And then the leathers. So we started thinking about doing some distressed leathers.
Yeah.
Something that wouldn't have been in Porsche at the time. It's becoming a little bit more popular now. You see a lot of hot rods, but it's actually moving in more into some of the classic car markets now. People are liking the old kind of used look before it is old and used. Keeping the black in the inside of the car and working well with the carpet. I think we're going to be going with this one here. The two of them next to each other work really quite well.
Yeah, and what I was saying, Dave, as well, is that the original colour of the car is Irish green, and the original spec of the car was black leather inside as well. So I want to keep it authentic. In fact, the back seats are almost original, and this kind of patterned distressed leather is a bit of a vibe. I do like that a lot. And in fact, actually, Ferrari now, if you go Atelier, you can actually option leather that looks like that. So it's not shiny, new, horrible looking leather. That was one of my concerns as well. I was like, I don't want kind of a brand new interior. Actually, leather that kind of looks like this, all shiny and smooth and horrible, against quite a heavily patterned car. Patina is, of course, the diplomatic way of putting it.
So that is the materials selected for Tom's Porsche 912. Coming up next is the removal phase of the interior. Jamie and Gail will be assisting me with a full strip down of the car. Let's take a look. That there is the original bit of carpet, which we've just found. There it is, underneath the piece of carpet that's gone over the top. So that's it for episode 1, where you've seen us dismantle the interior for Tom's Porsche 912. I look forward to seeing you again at the next episode, where we'll be stripping down the parts ready for retrimming. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.